Good morning, I'm back in Hirafu this morning and I'm joined by Tommy Swadling, who's featured on a couple of videos before, and Millie over here from Getting Grilly with Millie. And today I'm demoing some skis that I've wanted to try for a long time. It's the Tracer 108 from Armada. I'm on the 180 length. I'm using a kingpin binding and I'm also using some tech boots today just because I didn't have the length with a regular binding. So we're trying them out with that setup, and these are basically the new Norwalk cross with the Kufo 108. I'm pretty excited to try them because I have tried the Kufos before. I've never tried the Norwalk, but they're quite an anticipated ski. They are rocker with positive camber and they feel pretty good already. So let's go do some laps. Tracer 108 and they're quite stiff actually. I'm on the 180 like I said earlier, and they're definitely not too long, but I can feel sort of how firm and I guess damp is the right word, how damp they are. And we're over at Hanazono now. We just did a little run in strawberry fields and it was beautiful, and they handle really well in powder and they handle really well on piste as well, but I'm gonna have to give them a really good charge on a nice groomed run shortly.
Oh, my eyes so close between this time I always thought it would be your hand holding mine, holding mine, holding mine, holding mine, holding mine.
So we've just finished up a couple of runs in waterfall that were amazing, and these are my final thoughts on the Armada Tracer 108. I actually really enjoyed them. They were fantastic in powder, they were fantastic on piste. It got a little bit hard for me in crud, and I think that might be just because I'm not used to such a stiff ski, like from here all the way through. I'm used to a more rocket ski, so I probably would have preferred something like the Marksman because it's a lot softer, and I'm used to a ski that's much more rocketed. Like it is tip and tail rocketed, but for some reason I think just the stiffness of it, I'm just not used to it, so it's not the ski for me. But if you're an intermediate to advanced skier who wanted something stiff, wanted something for touring, this would be a great option because it's not heavy, it's super light, especially with a pair with the Kingpin. It's a great combo. So I actually really enjoyed them. I probably would ski them again, but I probably would try them without a Kingpin and use my own boots next time. So that's the Tracer 108. I hope you enjoyed.